Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Your Outlook reading pane might look tiny because of a few simple settings or accidental mouse movements that changed your layout. The most common cause is the divider bar being pushed too far to one side by mistake. To fix this, hover your mouse over the vertical line between your message list and the reading pane. Your cursor will turn into a double-headed arrow icon. Click and drag that line to the left to make the reading pane larger and easier to see. If the pane is missing entirely or stuck at the bottom of the screen, go to the View tab at the top of your Outlook window. Look for the Layout group and click on the Reading Pane button. Ensure it is set to right instead of bottom or off to maximize your vertical space. Sometimes the text inside the pane looks small even if the pane itself is wide. Check the zoom slider located in the bottom right corner of the Outlook window. Slide it to the right to increase the text size immediately. You can also gain more screen real estate by collapsing the folder pane on the far left side. Click the small arrow at the top of the folder list to minimize it into a thin bar. If you have the to-do bar open on the right side, it steals valuable space from your emails. Go back to the View tab, click To-Do bar, and select Off. These quick adjustments will give you plenty of room to read your messages comfortably without squinting or scrolling constantly throughout your busy workday.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.